I'm not taking a picture, I'm taking a video, goofy boy. Open. What is it, Lucas?
It's a car, Mama.
It's a car?
Look. Come on, you. It's candy, Mama.
Candy?
It's candy. Candy, Mama. I got a sucker.
What do you say to Papa and Grandma?
I thank you.
Can you say thank you, Isaac?
Thank you. You know what I love? The candy.
What is that?
It's a dinosaur book.
Cool.
It's a dinosaur book.
What'd you get, Isaac?
See the car.